All right, hello everybody. Um, it's Clement here, competitive programming tech lead at DSC FIU, and I'm here with Lazaro. And today we have the continuation of yesterday's semifinals round two with Azar versus John. Going to the death. We're going into the death match now. So this is going to be so exciting. It's going to be one problem. Whoever solves it first wins. It's pretty simple. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait. What about you, Lazaro?
Oh God, we've been asking for a final death match, and we just happened to get it with the two people we know. And for one, the match that we were the most excited for, to be honest, because we know both competitors extremely well. We know their skills really well too. So this is fun, and it's a great chance that it just happen to be them who are going to the rematch.
All right. Let's see. Are our competitors ready to go?
My Discord is a little bit glitchy, so I can't share my screen yet, but it's loading.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
cool.
We need you to share your screen.
Yeah, I got the little spinny wheel. I'm on Mac, so it's taking a minute. Uh, I
I
will.
agree. Excuses. I mean,
What? Is someone saying excuses?
No, he's handicapping himself on purpose, so it can be easy.
A forfeit. Low key. I actually have no idea what's going on with my computer.
wow. Get a load of this guy.
All right.
Control
Well,
Alt Delete. We might have to
well,
start, and it just trust me. I'm not
No,
changing.
we will stick to the rules. You are
Wait, oh
going.
wait. Actually, I think let me go on Discord on web. And oh shit, wait. I'm sorry. If it's streaming. Wait. I think I'm good now.
DSC president, by the way.
Sorry. Okay, I think it should be good
yeah,
now.
it works. It works.
Okay. I'm sorry.
All right, since this is the first final death match, let me just let you guys know it's gonna be one question, 30 minutes. Whoever solves the first question, well, whoever solves the question, is deemed the winner of this head to head. You guys are already sharing your screen, so that's perfectly fine, and that's pretty much it. You just try to solve this one question in the 30 minutes. Good luck, guys. Clement, I'll see you in the Google Meet.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
All right,
All right, let's get this thing started.
let's do it. Let's ready up. Now, look at the question I chose. What do you think?
Oh, okay. I think. Oh my god. No. I know who's going to win.
Who?
Uh,
Wait, who do you think is gonna win?
I might have to put my money on John, bro.
Why?
Because of this question.
He's done it before? Well, no, he most likely has done it before, but like, uh, oh, because it's DFS?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Well, let's see, because Azar, he was doing a tree question last time, right? And he was using breadth first search. Uh, I have belief in Azar that he can do DFS.
Hey, man.
Azar is looking at the hint. That's something interesting. They could take care of that.
Oh, wait, we didn't even read off the question. Okay.
Oh, you're right.
Given a two-dimensional integer matrix of ones and zeros, where 0 represents empty cell and 1 represents a block that forms a shape, return the perimeter of the shape. There is guaranteed to be exactly one shape, and the shape has no holes in it. And so, oh, what were you gonna say?
No, yeah.
And so the hint for this problem is this problem can be broken into two subproblems. First, for each island, find its group of coordinates. Second, for each group of coordinates, iterate and find the amount of perimeter each piece of coordinate contributes.
Looks like both contestants are thinking.
Let's see. There's guaranteed to be exactly one shape. The shape has no holes in it. So are they saying there's only going to be one island? Yeah, right.
Yeah, they're saying that within that one island there is no zero within it.
Yeah, yeah. But
So
I
I
mean,
believe,
oh, go ahead.
so, yeah, I believe there could be, uh, oh no, there is exactly one island, and then that one island is completely filled with ones. There is no zero within the island.
Hmm. Yeah,
So,
this is.
which is helpful, it makes the problem a little bit easier. Oh, now we have a good amount of people in the chat. They're all like, super excited for this.
Let's see. Azar says, "Okay, let's think. Probably DFS will be involved somehow." All right, he's thinking.
Now they're asking, someone asked in chat, Natalia, she asked, what if they tie? If they tie, then they go to another sudden death match
Oh my god.
where it would be another just one question, 30 minutes. First person to solve it wins. And it keeps on repeating until we have a winner.
Oh, you. Oh, he. Let's see. Yeah, John assumed that looking at the hints were allowed, and
Yeah.
so far, and neither person has. Oh, okay. Looks like John is going to start making some headway into the problem here.
Mhm.
All right. Now, Lazaro, if you could translate this Python list comprehension for me, please.
Okay, so since this is a 2D matrix, he's going to be iterating over every single list inside of a matrix.
Mm-hmm.
And then inside of there, that list is built up of numbers, of integers. So basically what he's doing right there is he's just repeating or making a duplicate of the matrix.
Okay. Hmm. Interesting. Boy, this one's even hard to to make commentary on. Let's see. The in we have the output as 8. Hmm.
So, okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So let's look at the first example. We have 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0.
Yeah.
The shape here is going to be that kind of upside down L or that R.
Yeah, I see that.
So in the first list, the first one, which is being in position 0, 1, so the 0th position of the matrix, which is will give us that list, and then the first position within that list. That one has a perimeter of 2. It has its left and up. And then if we go down to 0, 2, that other one, the one right next to it, that
Mm-hmm.
has a perimeter of 3. And the reason why that has a perimeter of 3 instead of 4 is because on its left, there's a 1. And since there's a
Oh.
1 there, it doesn't count.
Okay.
So all they really have to do is just check the boundaries. If the surrounding, if you're on a 1 and the surrounding is 0, then the perimeter is going to increment by 1. But if one side of that 1 is another 1, or then you don't increment the perimeter by 1.
Okay. So then, let's see. It has. So okay. So at 0, 1, the perimeter is 2.
Yes.
At 0, 2, the perimeter is. It's not 2. It's 2, right?
So
At 0,
at
2.
what position?
At
At 0, 2, it's 3.
it's 3.
Yeah, because top, bottom, and right.
At
There's no 1 at the top of 0, 2, and there's no 1 to the bottom of 02, and there's no 1 to the right of 02.
But isn't 02 at the very top itself?
Yep. Yeah.
Hmm. And then, of course,
Because remember, the 1 represents an island.
yeah,
So you want to get the perimeter of that island. So basically, that means that that island you can kind of look at it is at the edge of the world. But just because it's at the edge doesn't mean it still doesn't have a perimeter.
yeah.
So that up still counts as 1,
Oh,
and
okay,
that
okay.
right still counts as 1 as well.
Oh, you know what? That makes all right. I got you now. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I see how to solve this now. So you would check like the surrounding area for like zeros or like if it's out of bounds.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Now, I'm not gonna lie. If I was in the competition having to think like that, I would have been stumped. Yeah, this would have been a GG.
Now let's see. Okay, so they have a good amount of code. Oh, Natalia asked another question. She said, what if they don't solve within the 30 minutes? If neither of them solve it within the 30 minutes, then they also didn't solve this round, so we still have to go to another death match. So it's gonna be death match after death match until someone solves.
Someone must die. All right, let's see.
Looks like Azar is going towards the right the method for this.
Yeah, he's doing. Looks like he's doing a depth first search. What is he looking for top for?
All right. I'll be back in 2 minutes.
You're good. You're good.
Wait, do you have music in the back?
Nope. You
Okay.
you just reminded me. Let's see. What kind of music are we going for, guys? Any suggestions or just play what I've been playing before?
Oh wow, looking at John's code. It looks like he's gonna be checking for those boundaries.
He's checking for them?
Mm-hmm.
Surprise. Let's see. How's this? Is this a good surprise?
I'm not totally sure what you're playing.
Patrick said, "Can you ask Azar to throw so I can have a beer?"
Oh yeah, because if Azar does win, Bart, we're gonna have our final today.
Oh.
Oh yeah, Gabriela said Daft Punk with a broken heart. I heard they're calling it quits, right? Daft Punk is calling it quits. this is interesting. When there's only one question, there's not much commentating. It's more introduce the question, talk about how it could be solved, and then you just wait for someone to solve it.
Yeah, I mean, we pretty much like went over like everything that's required to solve the problem. It's just now, it's a matter of who figures out what to do first. I hate to say it, but it's looking like John's getting closer to what needs to be done first.
Azar could come back. It doesn't look like what Azar is doing is totally wrong because he's also checking for those out of bounds.
He has a
And
variable.
he's about to return something.
So he checks. He starts off with a variable p that's set to 0, and then he checks if it's in. Actually, Azar's on the right thought process too. Wait.
Yeah, he is. Yeah.
Yo, he solved it.
And Azar finishes.
Oh my god.
Woo! And Azar finishes it.
Yo,
Oh my god.
John was close too.
On the first try, Azar gets it.
Oh my god. Hey man.
Wow, okay, let's go talk to them. Woo, this is insane. Hello?
Yo, oh my god.
Sorry, my jaw is still open.
First try. First try. Wow.
This is a great
Congratulations
job
to
for the
Azar.
Java Knights. Oh my god.
That was a good round. I was not expecting that release. I was fearing for my life because I thought this was, some sort of graph question
It
or
was.
something like island.
Oh,
First time solving any type of problem like this. I'm gonna lie. But
dude, I totally overthought this. I'm writing so much code.
You were kind of in the right direction, checking with those boundaries.
Yeah.
But yeah, further down, it gets a little bit messy.
Yeah.
Dang. I should have done what Azar did. Just check the if it's there and increment.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
my
That was insane. Oh my god. I'm not like I didn't expect it to happen that fast.
Yeah.
I saw you submit and I saw like the medal and I screamed. I was like, Azar gets it. Wow, that was insane.
Oh my gosh.
I thought it was time. I was like, bruh, I got this. And then Azar submits, and I was like, what?
I thought you had it too. But GG, bro. You're a fierce competitor. I wouldn't have liked to.
Wait, so is it only Java people in this tournament now?
Yep.
Patrick are both Java Knights.
So I will be stepping down from commentating and retiring.
And there he is, the other contestant. Patrick comes in.
Oh, it's about time, dude. What did that take you, like 12 minutes?
Oh,
Damn, the smack comes early. Wow.
already.
I think I fell asleep, but I don't think that'll be a problem, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my god.
No, I'm just kidding. You're gonna kick my ass, but let's go.
This is gonna be dirty.
Oh my gosh, the other
We'll see,
finalist
you
comes
were
in with the
differently.
beef. First thing first, off the group. Not a how you doing, just screw you, I'm gonna win this. Alright, I like the way we're
Me and Azar got a whole backstory. We got like, we've hated each other since elementary school. So
Yeah,
this is-
it's the whole Naruto backstory. Naruto versus
Mhm.
Sasuke.
yeah, their chairs were broken on each other's heads. It's been a wild ride.
Oh yeah.
Well, there
Yeah,
you
the
hear it,
fight
folks.
of our life.
There's been a secret backstory going on here this whole time. So now it's going to be the day that they settle their beef over coding and binary search.
Wow.
That's how it's done.
That's how it's done. Oh my
Well,
word.
actually, looking out over your messages, Patrick, we could just start the finale right now, or we can start it at 5 and then do 5 to 6.
I'm down to do it now.
Okay. Azar, how about you?
I am down to do it now as well.
Okay, I did not expect this, but okay.
Oh wow. Zar's just like, I'm
I mean,
ready
he's
for
just
all the
warming up.
smoke. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess we can put the stream back on the static image, and then Clement can prep the questions.
Yes. Let's,
All right. Well, if there's anyone still watching the stream, do not go away. We'll take about 10 to 15 minutes, and then the finale will start right now, all in one stream.
In 10 to 15 minutes.
In 10 to 15. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, give or take. Yeah.
all right, guys. So just hang out here. Stay tuned. Shoot, should I like put on a video in the meantime? I don't know.
Leave the music.
All right.
Can you put the music and then mute us?
Well, ooh.
I don't think you can.
Maybe you guys can explain the logic.
Oh yeah, Azar, go for it.
Oh yes. Wait, is my screen showing or anything like that? I-
Actually,
I did.
yes, your screen. We're on your tab right now. Go for it.
Perfect. Okay. So at least, so I was thinking of doing some sort of DFS or some sort of recursion. But to be honest, I figured that's not really sort of needed. Essentially, what I did, I went through the matrix is given in a 2D array, so I iterate through the whole 2D array, and for each specific element, right, I check if it's equal to 1, where if it's equal to 1, then there is a specific shape that's there, or there is land. And then I essentially check around, like top, bottom, left, and right, if whether there is water. If there is water, then that will contribute to the perimeter. So that's what I have my check area here. To be honest, I could have done this check area inside of here, but I made it a separate class because I was thinking maybe at this point maybe I could have done recursion, but then again wasn't needed. So then I have my p variable here where I increment p if essentially, so this is for top. So there's two cases. It could have been if when you go on top, whether it could be at the complete top of the array, right? Or it could be like just one on top, and then that's it. And if it's 0, then that means that there is water. And I do that same logic for all the other sides, and then return, and then add that to the perimeter, and then return it. That's more or less how I did it. Yeah.
Excellent explanation. Very clear. Thank you very much. As expected of a Facebook software engineer. But
No problem. If you want to know more, tune in into the Java workshop tomorrow, happening at 8 p.m. in collaboration with AIS, where you'll learn more about Java and get some more explanations. Like that.
This was
He's also hosting the losing workshop tomorrow as well.
oh
my God.
Oh my God! What?
This is a marketing tactic.
Yeah. All just a
It's
marketing.
all been a
tactic.
marketing ploy the whole time. Just tune in. See how I won this tournament?
Please watch
You can
the
win this
workshop.
too if you attend the AIS Java workshop tomorrow and see me.
But you're
teach-
already writing me off.
I didn't write you
No,
off.
bro. If
I was talking.
if you win, you'll just leave the workshop. It's all good, bro. I gladly you'll be the 16-figure Java engineer. Don't even worry, bro.
That's a lot of figures.
Well, I am 14, and if you beat the 14, you get an upgrade in the 30. So, that
I think I
is.
could beat at most 14-year-olds.
Alright, guys.
All right,
I gotta
John,
go.
Thank you for being an amazing competitor.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
We really appreciated watching you throughout all of these rounds.
Thanks. With my overthinking for all of these, I don't think I've had a question where I didn't overthink it. Maybe the tree ones, but that was about it.
I feel that.
100% feel that as well. But no, it's genuinely, man, it was great competing against. No, thanks for competing.
No problem. Next time, I'll be prepared though. Whip out the C++ and go.
Oh,
Okay.
I can't wait to see that.
Big flex.
In the actual coding competition, like we should practice C++.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude. Long term, I think I'm gonna like try to like learn C++ properly for it. But that'll be like over the summer and stuff.
Yeah. Working with Makefiles is kind of weird, but yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, next semester you might go against me, John.
Next semester. Brave of you to assume that I'm gonna fail this semester.
Oh, dude.
Oh, that's right.
Well, you can still join as a graduated person. I don't know.
No.
No, actually, he can't. He can't.
Oh, really?
That
No,
would,
because that'll be OP.
yeah. Like imagine us like going against like a Google engineer or like some other engineer.
I mean, shoot. Yeah, you're right.
I'm not saying I'm a Google engineer, but yeah.
The next 1v1 I want to see is Azar versus Lazaro.
I want to see that too,
Ooh.
actually.
Czar.
Oh.
Next
Lazaro?
semester?
I want to see Ricky versus Azar.
Oh,
Oh,
I was gonna end super quick, bro.
I want to see Ricky against anyone, dude. I want to see Ricky against 3 people.
Yeah, you need a whole team to go against Ricky.
He's
Full
insane.
call right now.
Wait, what?
I'm feeling the real finals.
Insanely good. The guy's a god.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're going to head into a break now. So we'll catch you later. Just stay here. Enjoy the music. Oh, actually, no. The music's gonna be off. Just wait.
There's another round right now.
Yeah, the finale. I already got the
All right.
the graphic, Danny. Do you wanna? Yo, you look good in the last one you sent though.
Wait, the one where I'm cum blasted? No, wait. The last one with
no.
No.
Look. This is how the graphic would look like.
Yo, Clement. How come you said you wanted to learn C++ properly?
That's good. That's good. But I have a better one.
All right, bet. Sorry.
Why though? Just 'cause it's faster?
What happened?
I didn't know that. I didn't know that made a difference.
All right, guys, here we are back. We are going into the finals. We have Patrick versus Azar, two Java Knights going to duke it out in some fun binary search. Are you ready, guys? This is going to be our finals for the binary search tournament. Everything's on the line here. As you know, these two have some beef. They've hated each other since the beginning of time. So this is going to be great. How do you see it, Lazaro?
Honestly, this is life or death right here. They've been at war, they told us, since they were 3 years old. This is kind of like a family tradition for them to go head to head. So this will settle it once and for all. Which clan will carry on in the future? So this is a very important match.
All right. Let's see if our competitors are ready. Do they have their screen shared? Is everything ready to go?
All good.
All right. We all understand the rules here and how everything works.
Yeah. Let me just repeat it. You guys could search up libraries or just syntax for your preferred language. That's totally acceptable. Just make sure you're doing it in the window you're sharing. Also, I know I never brought this up, but since Clement and I sometimes we talk about the solution to the problems, please don't have the live stream playing in the background. But other than that, this will be 3 questions, 1 hour. Look at every single question and try to complete the easiest one first.
Sounds good.
All right. Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Let me just put on some music and then
Clement.
oh yeah, I'm just turning on the music and then we'll get started.
Okay, cool. All right, this is the finale, man. The last bracket of the tournament. This will be insane. 2 Java programmers.
All right, let's ready up and get this show on the road.
Let's do it.
All right. Let me just give up here.
Oh my God! Class scheduling.
Oh yes, yes. Everything is. There's nothing here. I mean, everything. There's no simple one. I'll put it like that. But class scheduling, you're given a 2-dimensional list of integers times where each list has 2 numbers, start and end, representing the start and end time of a course. You return the maximum number of courses you can take, assuming you can only take 1 course at a time, and the start of a course needs to be later than the end of the last course. And yeah, that's the class scheduling problem. So right now,
Yeah, seems like Azar is already jumping right into it. He might know exactly how to solve this question.
Yeah, it looks that way. I think. Yeah, I think I would check to see if like the end time of the previous one is like less than the start of the next one. And like if it isn't, then I'll just like look to the next one. And then as soon as I find that one that does start after the end of that course, then I would set my I'd set my point, whatever was pointing to that previous course, to that next course, and until I reach the end.
Yeah, I also feel like it's important to sort this array, because it might not be sorted, but that could be helpful.
Yeah, shoot, I was assuming it's sorted. That's true. It could not be sorted. That's true. So let's see. Okay, Azar's going with a hash set here. I wonder what his approach is. Let's see. Seems like he's going to be adding to. Oh wait, he's on a different question. Oh my gosh. You know what? He's on the longest substring with 2 distinct characters. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So given a string S, find the length of the longest substring that contains at most 2 distinct characters. Yeah, that one. Honestly, this one might be the easiest of the bunch. Patrick's going for the class scheduling problem. And we have Azar going for the longest substring with 2 distinct characters. Alright, so Azar adds to the set. And as long as the set of unique characters is less than or equal to 2. Actually, this looks like it can work.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the solution looks pretty clean.
He runs it and he does get the wrong answer. He got 3 instead of 4. Might just need to do one little bit.
Yeah.
Adjusting. And it brings him the win. Well, at least for this one problem. He's gonna continue debugging. Perfectly fine.
Alright.
Yeah, it looks like Patrick's going for a DP for the first problem. Honestly, what I would have done too. That seems like a tough question.
Yeah, it looks like... Okay, he's going to check each class. Alright. Boy, there's
He
really
did not make this easy.
nope, nothing, no, everything. You're gonna have to earn your points today, people.
Did you set 45 minutes or an hour?
Oh my god.
You really did not make it easy.
Yeah, no.
Okay, it's fine. It's fair because they both have 45 minutes.
Alright, looks like Azar's checking his ties. He's setting temp equal to 1. Ah, so he's starting off with a okay, yeah, he's assuming a character size of 1 from the very beginning.
I believe an issue you could come across is, let's say for the string A, B, C, C, B, he's incrementing I the whole time. While he should be having 2 pointers, because he's gonna be seeing A, B, C, C, but an answer could be B, C, C.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, he needs to make a set. Oh, what?
So I think what he wants to do is have 2 pointers, and then increase, kind of like sliding window, increase the right pointer. And as soon as you have more than 2 distinct characters, start moving the left pointer.
Yeah, exactly. And then you'd probably, well, first you would, you'd remove that element from the set, and then,
yeah,
you remove that element from the set, and then you would go back into that loop.
Yep. He is making it way harder with just using 1. There's really no way around that. Watch me be wrong, but I don't know. I believe we have the right approach.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Yeah, he submitted and he gets it wrong.
Well, actually, I wonder if you should use a hash map for this. Because, like, what if you, let's say it was, if it wasn't A, like, let's say if it was AABCC, right? And you run into that first A, and, like, you remove it from the set, but there's still an A.
Yeah, you want the frequency of each character inside of your substring.
Yeah.
So you do want a hash map, yeah. And then you remove it once it's equal to 0.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, well, the other thing I was thinking was, like, what if you stored, like, its most recent appearance in the... And so, like, once you... Okay, like, what if you stored, like, the most recent appearance of, like, the element, the index of I, right? So, by removing that character, like, you would go to... You would set it to I plus 1. I mean, you would set it to, like, the most recent index of it plus 1, so that would, like, essentially remove all appearances of that character.
Once you pass that I plus 1 barrier, you remove it completely?
Yeah. Does that make sense or no?
No, yeah. I'm just thinking of a possible way of proving this wrong. Dude, I swear, sometimes I feel like we're also in this competition.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, dude, these problems, like, you know, when it was like easier ones, we could like, oh, you do this, blah blah blah, and then let's see who figures it out. And like we could say, okay, so it looks like this person's going like this and like this. Now we're sitting here trying to solve it. Yeah, this is awesome, dude. Looks like Patrick is okay. So let me see what he's doing for this. All right. So time the length plus 1. Okay, so he's starting off with an empty time slot. And so then he gets the start and the end time. And then
Oh, sorry.
oh,
Go ahead.
what happened?
I just realized that this question has a hint. It says that to sort by the end time. That's interesting.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking before.
I just thought when I said sorting, I straight up meant just regular sorting. I didn't think of sorting it specifically by index.
Yeah. Because like if you look, the 6 to 7 class actually ends before. Yeah, it ends before the 5 to 8 one. And all you'd really have to check is if that end time is before like that beginning time.
Yeah, because it can't even be the same number. They do have to be different.
And it looks like,
yeah, Patrick figured it out.
Yep.
He might have read the question. I mean, the hint. Now we're about to approach what would have been the halfway mark, but it's now the 15-minute mark.
yeah, shoot. We're reaching the 15-minute mark. So far, both people have made good progress on at least one question. Azar with the longest substring with 2 distinct characters, Patrick with class scheduling. Honestly, this is really interesting. I don't know who's going to win. This.
Yeah, I really don't know either. Patrick is experienced. He put down a 4, but he's more like a 6 or 7.
Yeah, so this this was the biggest bamboozle.
Yeah, he played us. Yeah, that's a fact. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, it would be nice to just have them show some sort of kind of how you doing like a face cam to really see them think and dive deep into this question. Because this could not be easy. They both of them have
Oh, I think
pressure on them, and probably stress too, and they need to bring their A game. This is not easy. Plus the hard questions.
yeah, they're all hard. Like there's nothing here that's like. Well, I mean, I guess the second one is like straightforward, but it's not easy to implement.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but all of these questions like have like a reasonably high level of difficulty. The last one, okay, Patrick is actually looking at the last one right now. So this question is knight moves the target coordinates. So you're given 2 integers, R and C. Given that knight is placed initially at the coordinate 0, 0 in an infinitely large chessboard, return the minimum number of moves it would take to reach R, C. Yeah, this.
Dude, this is the hardest question.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You have put.
Yeah, this is by far the hardest question that's been given in this competition.
Oh my god, you are not fair. You are not fair.
It's the finals, boys. We have to. I mean, everybody. You know, we have to test our contestants a little bit.
Now we say it's finals. In 30 minutes, we're saying it's a finals rematch.
Oh my god. Okay.
So let's see. It'll be interesting if anyone can pull off a question here or there.
Yeah, you've got to earn every single question. There's no gimme questions, man.
Whoa.
Okay.
Patrick wanted to encode y times 301 plus x.
And so Azar's going with a hash map for the class scheduling problem. And then he sorted the end times of the. Yeah, he looked at the hint for sure.
Yeah.
But he has map.put, but it looks like he doesn't know what he's trying to put in there.
Yeah, he might be thinking about this.
So Patrick's created something to encode. Interesting.
Yeah, that's unique.
Yeah. I wonder why he did that. Though I do agree, I'd probably go with the. I would probably go with the hash set as well.
For Azar's problem?
No, for the knight moves to target coordinate. I'm trying to remember how a knight moves again. 2-1.
Yeah, 2-1.
Yeah. I know you hate it, but I would go with a breadth first search for this one, man.
Yeah, that could work. I was thinking of doing it backwards instead of starting at 0-0. I would start at where they want me to end.
Yeah.
And then I know everything from that position and then downward and less are, I think, would work. There's no need for me to go higher than 1-0.
Yeah. What's it called? Oh wait, let's see. Azar says I can build the map up maybe by doing key ends and value starts.
That would make sense because he is just sorting it by ends. I mean, he has an array of just the ends.
Yeah.
It looks like he doesn't know like what Patrick did. He just did the array dot sort, and then he did some sort of subtraction there.
I think he did some sort of sorting arrow function.
Yeah, that's exactly what he did. Yeah.
And so, yep, Patrick's gonna go with a breadth first search for the knight moves to target coordinate problem. Looks like he's experienced something like this. He's making an is valid function. I wonder why.
Something I do want to point out and something we should appreciate is Azar's variable names.
Oh, let's see. Oh wait, he actually has normal variable names this time.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, he does.
I mean, he has this comment saying beep boop, but that's about it.
Yeah. That's better than what he's had in the past.
Yes, for sure. I'm actually interested in the fact that Patrick's going with probably the hardest problem. He didn't even look at the longest substring with 2 distinct characters. Alright, so he adds, he's adding the origin into his matrix. I'm curious to see what, I don't know why he has the encode though, the encode function.
Yeah, I have no idea what that is either.
Oh wait. I think, does he mean to have the boolean, the variable is valid as like a boolean? Cause like...
Going off by the method name, it should be right.
Yeah. Because like, maybe, I don't know, maybe he's going to, like, I'm wondering if he's going to check if like, that position, like that position's already been seen in his set, or like if it's contained within the board.
Because he doesn't want to have any loops. But maybe he's gonna handle he's gonna be returning 1 or 0.
That's true. He could just do that. And so let's look back to Azar over here. Alright, so Azar is actually, he's back on the longest substring with 2 distinct characters.
Both contestants nearing that 20-minute mark, or 20 minutes left.
Yes, we've gotten to the 20-minute mark, and now, well, we've passed the 20-minute mark. So far, both contestants have written out a lot of code for at least, like I said, at least 2 questions now. So now it's a matter of figuring out what's missing to get to that answer. I think Patrick was really close to the first one. So I wonder if he'll go back to it.
God, it's so unique.
Oh, okay.
Question is,
Oh, what?
I was gonna say for Patrick, is he gonna get a time limit exceeded?
As long as he like checks. If he uses his set the way I think he is. Oh no, actually I don't know. Because I would check if like that row column coordinate is like has already been seen before, and if it hasn't, then like don't add it to the queue. That would mean like it's already been visited and like that move isn't valid. Okay, it looks like he's thinking about all the possible knight moves. Zara says Shimata. Oh my god.
I still don't know what the name.
Neither do I. Do we have any weebs that know what that mean in the chat?
God, 20 minutes left.
Whoever
Now
saw.
for
Oh, go ahead.
no, you go ahead.
Oh, I was going to say whoever solves the first one really puts a lot of pressure on the other person.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Oh, what were you gonna say though?
I was gonna say for the hint for the third question, it says use offset array instead of set. I'm not totally sure what that means, to be honest with you.
Use offset array.
I
Oh.
might need a Google search.
Time for Google. Bruh, I'm putting offset array and I'm getting offset the rapper. Okay. So it's keeping an offset variable and adding it wherever needed.
Wow.
Okay, we'll get back to this. Sorry. It just I got into reading it.
God, man, you really did not choose easy questions.
Nope, not at all. Oh, Casey says that it means oh crap. She might.
Oh, I mean, oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, Aldo says, Mr. President, you're late for a meeting. Come on, President.
That is true.
Just wrap this up real quick, man. Oh, now Azar is looking at the knight moves to target coordinate question.
Now, with that being said, this means each and every single contestant, the both of them, they have all looked at every single question you have provided, and they've all wrote down some piece of code, but they gave up. At least temporarily.
Sounds like I did a good job.
Yeah.
Geary would be proud.
Yeah.
You know, I've seen some of the question he's given. Offset array equals Migos array. Yeah.
Alright, Alright, well, it looks like Aldo's gonna have to wait 17 minutes, 25 seconds for that meeting.
Yeah, the meeting's gotta wait, man. The president's trying to put down his authority on these questions here. But like I said, man, you know, I promised these questions would serve no bias. Everybody's gotta suffer. Looks like Azar is... I'd imagine he's probably like trying to write this out some sort of way. On a piece of paper or something. Because I imagine he's trying to visualize what he needs, what the question's asking him to do. Also, I wonder if he's looking up like how a knight moves.
I am looking at his screen. Doesn't look like that's what he's doing.
No, it looks... Oh, he went back to... Yeah, he actually submitted a different question. He's actually looking like... Oh, am I on his stream? No, I wasn't. Yeah, he's just sitting... Yeah, he's just writing stuff right now. And so Patrick has ran his code for knight moves, and he's getting error, bad operand types. Yeah, he's still getting... He's getting a compilation error. Interesting. So he's getting the wrong answer right now. He might need to debug a few things. I actually don't see anything that's recording moves. Alright, so now he's looking back at the task scheduling problem. I mean, yeah.
How would you guys solve the longest subarray of distinct characters? So we did go over that. You wanna explain it?
Oh, sure. So basically what we'd do is like we'd create like we'd have like a sliding window almost, and so let's say we'd like we'd like open up our window until our like let's say our set has like more than more than 2 characters in it, and we compare that to the max, and then what we do is we're going to start moving our left pointer until there's less than 2 characters, and then we keep opening up our window and closing just like that until we reach the end, and then we return the maximum. Did I miss anything there?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was answering a question that Danny
Oh god.
said. You said hash map and 2 pointers?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And then the occurrence within that sub window.
Yeah.
Yeah. The characters and their frequency.
All right. So it looks like, yep. Patrick's back to looking at the class scheduling problem. See, I don't understand why you would go with DP with this one. Because it's not like you're optimizing anything.
Yeah, I think doing beat and BFS would be a little better.
Oh no, I'm talking about class scheduling.
Wait. Who are we looking at?
Patrick.
Patrick?
Yeah. Wonder. Yeah. I mean I guess yeah, it is an optimization where you're like trying to take as many classes as possible with the given condition, but I mean, oh, let's see. I think Patrick's trying to run his code to see what's going on. All right, so Patrick's code is currently going out of bounds. Azar deleted all of his class scheduling code and is going and started from scratch. We have 11 minutes left in the competition. It's looking like we might have a second sudden death.
Yeah. And thankfully, I'm gonna choose the questions. It's not gonna be this difficult.
Ha ha ha.
We definitely do want a winner. That's for sure.
What is object? What is? I mean, it's an arrow function, so basically it's going to be like sorting in like a sort of like in a type of mapping, basically, of like based on the difference between, yeah, isn't it based on the difference?
So yeah, that's basically he's gonna be sorting. He's gonna be going through the array, and he's gonna be taking the two elements every single time, and then he's just gonna be taking the difference between both of them.
Yeah.
So for example, if we look at example 1, that dot sort with that arrow function is going to take 2, 5, and then 5, 8, and then take the difference of their first index.
Yeah. All right. Oh, Azar started to bring out the variable names. I saw a little hee hee.
No.
I saw hee hee there for a second. He just changed it though.
To be honest, if no one wins today, we might have to set up another day.
Yeah.
I know Azar has a meeting, and I know right now, currently for Patrick, it's midnight.
Yeah. So if we don't get a winner here, the death match might be scheduled for another day.
Yeah, that is true. Yep.
Can somebody clutch this?
No problem, Ozzy.
Hmm?
I hope that helped. Oh, I was responding to the chat. It's gotten to the point where just getting one question right could give you the win.
Yeah. Shoot.
Azar brings out the hee hee.
Yeah, so that means he's going into his full power.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like he tried submitting his class scheduling answer.
He's going to be doing a small workaround for that, Patrick. Inserting an if statement in the beginning. Checking the length is equal to 0 and... Oh, nope, he's getting rid of that. Changing his mind. Wow, this is so close. 6 minutes, 40 seconds left.
Oh my god. He said a variable named Yeet.
His power level increases as his variable names become more special.
Yes, it says map get times at I plus 1. While I is less than n dot length minus 1. And, oh, he deleted it, but it said he less than Yeet. Let's see. I love how I've been here since the beginning, but don't understand a single line of this code. Listen, it's gotten to the point where like it's really hard to understand like what's going on unless you've had like some experience coding these types of questions.
Yeah, so unless you put yourself through hell in the past, this is difficult.
Yeah, and we're coming up to 5 minutes left. Looks like everybody's racing trying to finish one problem. Patrick's trying to see what his times are looking like.
Each contestant now has 5 minutes to solve at least one question. Patrick continues submitting, but it's not going through.
Yeah, he keeps. I think he's just trying to make his question fit to all of the. He's trying to make his answer fit to all the test cases.
Yeah, I believe that's exactly what he's trying to do.
Oh boy. If we look over to Azar, he's. His approach is. Okay, so he sets yeet equal to map.get the ends that he sorted, and he checks if he is less than yeet, then total plus equals to 1. Okay, so now he's adding the second pointer. He's adding the 2 pointers in.
Wait, but Azar is still doing the times.
Yeah, he's doing the class scheduling, and he's using a hash map with it.
Oof, submits does not go through. They both have 3 minutes now.
3 minutes to go. If anyone solves a problem now, it basically decides it.
Yeah, this kind of also decides who, obviously they'll decide who is the better programmer because this is a whole tournament. But they're doing the exact same questions, so this is totally fair right now, and really nice to see.
Yeah, I mean these two guys, their approaches for everything have been, they've been pretty different. I think. I think we've seen. There's like. I mean, I think we've seen over the course. If this is intense, yes.
Yeah, 2 minutes left. For just one question, can they hit a programming buzzer beater like you said?
Oh my gosh! Can we get our first programming buzzer beater? We already got our first death match today. Can we get our first buzzer beater in the finals? The most clutch step up.
Oh my god, coming down to 1 minute. I don't think anyone's gonna get a single question.
Yeah, I don't think so either. They're submitting like madmen.
Yeah, it's getting to the point where they're desperate and they're just hoping changing a single piece of their code actually works.
Yeah, logo shot for the win. Yeah.
Oh my god, can they do it?
More submits wins. 30 seconds remaining.
Oh my god, I don't think they're gonna do it.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Azar seems to have stopped or is studying his code. Same thing with Patrick. They're just counting their submits. They're not even trying anymore. I think they've both given up. It's coming down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. We don't have a winner.
Yeah, we're gonna be going to the death match. Let's head over to talk to the guys.
Yeah, let's do it.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Boone.
I just realized it wasn't you saying that, Lazaro.
Yeah, it wasn't.
Chat? Oh my god. That's why I lost. I was gonna submit all three, but you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
New rule. Yeah.
Man, guys, it was tough, right? What do you guys think?
That was pretty tough. Yeah. A little bit harder than usual. I feel like maybe I don't know. Definitely, I didn't even bother with the last one. That one was for sure DP. And thanks, Clement. And I don't know. I was trying to get class scheduling, but not exact. And longest substring with 2 distinct characters. I don't know. I started, but didn't really get anywhere with it.
How about you, Patrick?
I mean, for the majority of the time I was just watching Netflix. But I figured maybe Azar could get one, but I guess not.
Yeah. Loki, I was doing that too. Yeah.
Wow, he says it's he thought he was giving you a chance by watching Netflix.
Yeah. I just wrote that 600 lines of code. That was all boilerplate, just, you know.
Boilerplate. He was
That with my
creating
left hand.
React up.
Yeah.
Wow, guys, it looks like now we have 2 final deathmatch.
What an epic final.
Yeah.
Really hyping up the finalists here.
Yeah.
Give us 2 some next.
Oh, Aussie said quick 10-minute overtime.
I believe Azar. I believe you need to go to a meeting, and Patrick, it's pretty late over there, no?
Yeah. So
It is midnight here.
Yeah, so this is going to have to boil over into another day.
Another day, yeah. You guys.
They're just doing this for the ad money. They told us to throw.
No.
Cavs versus Golden State Warriors. What was it, like 2015?
Well, I guess now you guys have more time to practice. Just one single question for the next death match. I'll reach out to you
What's the
guys.
question?
We
You
cannot
just
tell
message
you.
me. Yeah, just message me. It's fine.
Okay, all right.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Make sure to change my image for the next promotional so I can actually have some chance of winning.
Okay,
We're
I'll
not
do
gonna
it.
do it now.
Wait, say that again.
Okay,
Sorry.
we're not gonna do it now.
No, no.
No, no.
Okay, all right.
They need to
Then
find a new question more suitable for the likes of us.
can you? Can the both of you guys do it now?
I mean, I could, but I'm pretty sleepy.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So yeah, I'll reach out to both of you. Try to set up a time. Hopefully we could do it. Oh no, not tomorrow. We can't tomorrow. Thursday or Friday. That
Either
would
should be good for me.
All right.
right. Sweet.
Works for me. Yeah.
All right.
Peace,
cool.
guys.
All right.
All right.
See
Take
you.
care, Patrick.
You
This
as
is my-
well.
All right.
See you in the Google Meet.
Yep. All right. So we that was an interesting round. Everything was. We had a lot of different attempts at trying to solve these problems. It was the final round, so I mean, I had to turn up. I mean, the heat had to be turned up in terms of the difficulty of the questions.
Mhm.
I'm excited to see what the death match is going to be like. I think it's going to be really good. I'm sure we're going to have a very exciting finish to this. What do you think?
It just doesn't stop. It's getting harder and harder. This is the second death match we're having. Hopefully, this is the only second death match. Hopefully, it doesn't turn to that we have to have a third or fourth. But yeah, it's getting harder. The questions are getting harder. It's challenging, that's for sure.
Right, like I think today, yeah, I think today's problems have just been a step up from everything we've given everyone so far. After we had already taken it a step up from the preliminaries, where I don't think we stayed in there longer than 30 minutes at all.
Yeah. All right.
Well, all right, guys. I hope that you've stuck with us until the end. I want to thank you all for watching. Be sure to tune in for the death match. We'll let you know when the date for that is, and until then, we'll be signing off for now. Hope to see you for the death match.
Yeah. Take care, guys.